Buongiorno a tutti. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Italian channel. This is a free online Italian learning course for beginners. In the previous lesson you have learned what is your name in Italian, come ti chiami. In this lesson you will learn to say where are you from. Let's have a look at the agenda. The fourth lesson of this course will show you how to say where are you from informal and formal way, and also how to answer these questions. Then there will be some dialogues. In the grammar section, I will explain the grammar rules for nationality. Then I will show the conjugation of the verb essere. Next, I will do a quick review of what I have explained through the summary. Finally, there will be a mini quiz to test your understanding. Let's start. I will syllabify each sentence and repeat it 3 times. Please repeat after me. Di dove sei? Di dove sei? Di dove sei? Di dove sei means where are you from? It is informal. It is usually used with person you know, for example, with friends, relatives, and colleagues. Di dove? Di dove è? Attention! Dove finish with e with open sound, and then there is a with grave accent with closed sound. The two e joins together and the pronunciation is di dove, and you only hear the e with grave accent. Di dove? Di dove means where are you from? It is formal. It is used with person you don't know, like strangers, or with person that you show respect, such as teachers, supervisors at work. Let's see how to answer these questions. Sono. 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 Sono means I am. It is followed by your nationality. Let's see some examples. First of all, listen to this informal dialogue. Andres, di dove sei? Sono spagnolo di Madrid. E tu? Sono francese di Parigi. Listen carefully. Andres, di dove sei? Andres, where are you from? Sono spagnolo. I'm Spanish. Di Madrid. From Madrid. E tu? And you? Now let's move on to a formal dialogue. Signora Helga, di dove è lei? Sono tedesca di Berlino. E lei? Sono italiana di Roma. I will repeat it again. Listen carefully. Signora Helga, di dove è lei? Miss Helga, where are you from? Sono tedesca. I'm German. Di Berlino. From Berlin. E lei? And you? Sono italiana di Roma. I'm Italian from Rome. To show the difference between the informal and formal situations, I will repeat the dialogues again. First, the informal one. Andres, di dove sei? Sono spagnolo di Madrid. E tu? Sono francese di Parigi. Now the formal one. Signora Helga, di dove è lei? Sono tedesca di Berlino. E lei? Sono italiana di Roma. In the grammar section, I will start explaining the grammar rules for nationality. Basically, in Italian, the adjectives of nationality might end with o, with a, or with e. If it is a masculine name, it will end with o. For example, Andres es españolo. Andres is Spanish. Since Andres is a masculine name, the adjective of nationality must end with o. In case of a feminine name, the adjective of nationality will end with a. For example, Maya española. Maya is Spanish. Since Maya is a feminine name, the adjective must end with a. Other examples are italiano, italiana, tedesco, tedesca. But there are some exemptions. For example, there are some adjectives of nationality which end in a. This will always end in a in its singular form for masculine and feminine names. There isn't any distinctions between masculine name and feminine name. Let's see an example. Charlotte è francese. Charlotte is French. Another example. Arthur è francese. Arthur is French. As you can see in this example, we have used for both gender the same adjective of nationality, francese. More examples are giapponese, norvegese. If we talk about more than one person, the adjective will also become plural. The adjective which ends with O will become E for masculine names, and the adjective which ends with A will become E for feminine names. And in the exceptions case, the E will become E for both gender names. Let's see some examples. Andres e Daniel sono spagnoli. Andres and Daniel are Spanish. Since Andres and Daniel are two masculine names, the adjective of nationality must end with E. In this case, spagnoli. Spagnolo is just for one masculine name, and spagnoli is for more than one masculine name. Other examples are italiano, italiani, tedesco, tedeschi. Now let's see another example. Maya e Anna sono spagnole. Maya and Anna are Spanish. These are two feminine names. Consequently, the adjective of nationality must end with e. In this case, spagnole. So, spagnola is just for one feminine name, and spagnole is for more than one feminine name. Other examples are italiana, italiane, tedesca, tedeschi. The plural form of the adjective of nationality which end in a will become e for both masculine and feminine name. For example, Charlotte and Bridget sono francesi. Charlotte and Bridget are French. Now let's do an example with two male names. Arthur e Jonas sono francesi. Arthur and Jonas are French. For both gender, we have used again the same adjective of nationality, francesi. So francese is just for one person, and francese for more than one person. This is fine for both gender name. More examples are giapponese, giapponesi, norvegese e norvegesi. Now let's move on to conjugation of the verb essere. Essere is the verb to be in Italian. Listen carefully. Io sono. Tu sei. Lei, lui, lei è. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Loro sono. I will repeat it one more time. Io sono. Io sono means I am. Tu sei. You are. Lei è. She is. Lui è. He is. Lei è. You are. It is formal you. Noi siamo. We are. Voi siete. You are. Loro sono. They are. Please repeat after me. Io sono. Tu sei. Lei, lui, lei è. Noi siamo. Voi siete. Loro sono. Let's make some sentences. Di dove è lei? Where is she from? Lei è italiana. She's from Italy. In this case, italiana is feminine singular adjective. Di dove è lui? Where is he from? Lui è italiano. He is Italian. Italiano is a masculine singular adjective. Di dove siete voi? Where are you from? Noi siamo italiani. We are Italian. Italiani is a masculine plural adjective. Di dove sono loro? Where are they from? Loro sono italiane. They are Italian. Italiane is feminine plural name. Let's see the summary of this lesson quickly. If you want to ask a colleague, where are you from? You say, di dove sei? If you want to ask, where are you from to a stranger? You say, di dove? To answer, you say, sono, followed by the nationality. The singular adjective of nationality might end with o if it is a masculine name, with a for a feminine name, in some exemptions case with a for both masculine and feminine names. The plural adjective name might end with e for masculine name, with a for feminine name, in the exception case with e for both masculine and feminine name. The conjugation of the verb essere, which means to be, is io sono, tu sei, lei, lui, lei è, noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. Now I will give you a mini quiz. Please try to do it. How do you say she's Spanish in Italian? A. Lei è spagnola. B. Lei è spagnolo. C. Lei è spagnole. You can find the answer in my Instagram account, and you can also find the slides of this lesson. My Instagram is learn_Italian20. Make sure to subscribe, rate, and comment on any podcast app. In the next lesson, I'm going to teach you where do you live in Italian. Grazie, arrivederci!